Welcome to part 3 of our guitar studio build, this video being about the back deck. I have to start off with 2 apologies. The first apology is for my son thinking he's a videographer and getting quite unstable with the camera. Again, sorry buddy. The second apology is for not having much footage of this, so it's a little jumpy and might not totally make sense as I'm going along. We built this container 2 years ago, long before being on YouTube, and I was really bad with turning on the camera. This container will be living most of its life in North Idaho. So we chose trex decking to hold up to the elements and be low maintenance. So here I'm welding in 1-inch angle iron to be the joists. I clamp a scrap piece of angle iron onto the joist and use it to get the angle iron level with the frame of the trailer and hold it in place while I weld it. I probably should have used a little bit bigger angle iron for the joists, as these have a little flex to them. But they're still holding up to this day and I think they'll be just fine. Off to my favorite toy, the CNC plasma table. I'm cutting out brackets that I weld onto the trailer frame that will hold the new set of foldable stairs. And of course, I had to get a little custom with them and add the KSP creations. To be honest, I wasn't sure if these brackets would work, but they worked perfectly. Onto the railing, I used 2-inch square tubing for the posts, 1x2 rectangle tubing for the handrail, and 1-inch square tubing for the inner frame, and finish that off with hog panel. I'm bummed I was so bad at turning on the camera for this step, because I really enjoy the way this came out, and I had a lot of fun building it. I had an unexpected visit from the inspector. Thankfully, he was pretty easy on me. Unfortunately, I didn't get any of it on film, but after I welded this in place, I gave everything a coat of primer, then finished it off with a coat of black paint. Please stay tuned for the next video where we install the fireplace and all the wall paneling. Thank you for watching, and please like and subscribe.